Let's buy a .com domain from GoDaddy. On the homepage, you'll see two offers, a .com domain for $4.99 for the first year, or just pay a penny for the first year if you pay for 3 years today. You can click on Find Your .com or just type in the domain that you like in the search bar at the top right here. After searching for tutorials with JJ, we'll see that the .com domain is available. You'll see the first year price of $4.99. For more details about the domain you're purchasing, you can click on the question icon. We offer a lower first year price to help you get up and running online. After the first year, your domain will renew at $21.99 per year. 20-cent icon fee may apply at checkout. They offer an additional bundle of domains .net, .info, .xyz, .store, and .shop for $17.67. After the first year, you'll pay $234.95 to renew all of these domains. Honestly, I can't think of any reason why you'd want this bundle of domains. If you're looking for something besides the .com domain or this bundle, you'll see they found 554 domain endings. You can obviously scroll through all of them, or if you're looking for something specific, maybe this business will be based in the UK, I'll just add .uk to the search up above, and the domain will come right up. Let's just get the .com. It'll be added to our cart, then click Looks Good, Keep Going down below. Here you can create an account or sign in. I'll just sign in later. You'll see the domain for $4.99. Then we see Get Full Domain Protection turned on for $1.09 per month or $12.99 for the year, which has already been added to the price along the right-hand side. When you hear about domain protection, usually that refers to when a domain registrar puts their contact details instead of yours in the public domain database. Without this, your name, phone, email, and address will be listed publicly. Luckily, GoDaddy and most domain registrars now give you this for free. But GoDaddy added this additional protection service that isn't needed, and it's something other domain registrars just include for free. You'll pay $12.99 per year to require two-factor authentication for crucial actions, basically when you want to make important changes to your domain. They have offers for Microsoft email and their website builder if you're interested in either of those. If you want to build your website with GoDaddy, we have a tutorial that will walk you through step-by-step that you can find in the description below. Also, if you're just starting a business, you might want to sign up for a free course that walks you through everything you need when starting a business, from creating that business, your logo, business email, website, and more. To save a little money, I'll change the term from 1 year to 3 years to get the first year for just a penny instead of $4.99. Then click Continue to Cart. Here, everything looks good. No need to buy all the other domains recommended at the bottom of the page. I'll just click Ready for Checkout. Here, to make the purchase, you'll need to create your account if you didn't earlier. I'll sign into mine. Here, you'll fill in your billing information and click Save. You'll now see that the 20-cent icon fee was added. So over 3 years, that's 60 cents, bringing the total to $44.59. Enter your payment information and click Review Order. Here we could click on Complete Purchase, but before doing that, why don't we double check how GoDaddy's prices compare to other domain registrars. Two domain registrars I recommend are Porkbun and Spaceship. Let's see how much a .com domain costs with both of them. With Porkbun, a .com domain is $11.08 for the first year and for the annual renewals. So over 3 years, the total cost would be $33.24. That's $11.35 less than GoDaddy over 3 years. Now let's look at Spaceship. With Spaceship, you pay $8.88 plus the 20-cent icon fee for the first year for a total of $9.08. Then $9.98 plus the 20-cent fee, totaling $10.18 for the renewals. The total over 3 years would only be $29.44, $15.15 less than GoDaddy, and $3.80 less than Porkbun. If you'd like to go back to GoDaddy, you can purchase your domain there, but I recommend going with Spaceship to save money and get free privacy protection and also two-factor authentication safety for free, something that'll cost another $12.99 per year with GoDaddy. If you find this video helpful and you'd like to support our channel, you'll find our affiliate links for GoDaddy, Spaceship, and Porkbun in the description below. If you use them, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. To learn more about Spaceship, watch this video up above, or to see which are the best website builders in 2026, watch the video below. And we'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.